Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are using the HP LaserJet MFP 4302 and wondering how to update the firmware, you're in the right place. This quick step-by-step guide will help you do it in just a few minutes safely and correctly. Watching all the steps in the video will 100% solve your problem. So, let's get started. Step 1. Why update the firmware? Before we begin, let's understand why firmware updates are important. Fixes bugs and printing issues. Improves security and performance. Adds support for new features. So if your printer is acting weird or slow, a firmware update can solve it instantly. Step 2. Download HP Smart or go to support. You can update the firmware using two methods. Method 1. HP Smart App. Open the HP Smart App on your PC or mobile. Go to Printer Settings, Advanced Settings, Tools, Printer Updates. Tap Check for updates. If an update is available, it will install automatically. PD Method 2. Manual from HP website. Go to support.hp.com. Search for HP MFP 4302. Select your OS, Windows, or Mac. Under Firmware, download the latest version, XP 68. Run the installer and follow on-screen instructions. Step 3. During update. Important. Do not turn off your printer or computer during the update. Make sure the power supply is stable. Let the update complete. It might take 5 to 10 minutes. You'll see a message like, firmware updated successfully, or your printer may restart once. Step 4. Confirm update. To check if your firmware was updated, print a configuration report from the printer panel. It will show the firmware version under Product Information. Compare it with the latest version on HP's website to confirm it's updated. And that's it! You've successfully updated your HP MFP 4302 firmware. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.